Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to open multiple Chrome windows in your laptop. So there are three methods to do this. I'm going to show you all three methods. So the first method to do it, first we need to open up Chrome. So to open up a new window on Chrome, what we need to do is use the shortcut Ctrl+N. And as you can see, two multiple windows of Chrome have been opened. And the second method to open Chrome is just to add another tab using the button here. And after opening up a new tab, all we have to do is simply drag out the new tab into a new window. So this is the second method to open multiple Chrome windows in your laptop. For the third method, you can use another Chrome profile. So you need to have another Chrome profile on your Chrome. So to do this, go to the top right corner and click on the three buttons. Once you're here, hover over your account. This will pop up a list of options, and under the list of options, you'll see an option that says Other Chrome Profiles. Click on that. So as you can see, a new Chrome window with a new Chrome profile has been opened up. So these are two different windows with different profiles. So this is how you open multiple Chrome windows in your laptop. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.